Okay, there's gonna be a contest. Who has a better eye, me or Train Trevor Turkey? Let's find out, and we'll have an eye contest. Round 1. Which color is the odd color? I think it is number 3. And I think it is number 4. And Famey is correct. What? Round 2. Which one is the odd one? I think it is number 1. And I think it is number 3. Famey is correct. What? Round 3. Which one is the odd one? I think it is number 2. And I think it is number 1. Famey is correct. What? And the winner is me, Famey. No!